So me and Chris, he's going to get here shortly. We're going to put some elastic bands on this thing. See how many it takes for it to explode. So should be fun.
It's time to fuck watermelons. It's leaking.
Gonna
It's so
explode.
tight.
Oh yes.
So grippy and drippy. Oh shit.
No,
I'm a
don't.
bit nervous. I'm a bit nervous there. Oh,
Oh, it could just be from the
you're
wood.
so wet, sweetie.
It could be from the wood bulb.
The wetness?
Yeah.
No. What would it be from the wood?
Scratching it. Like
No,
the
but it's coming
bottom
from
of
up
it.
here.
Yeah, but see how you're getting scratches and stuff on this part?
I don't know, man. I reckon that's leaking because it's like fucking getting crushed.
Could be.
It's the wall and kissed me. Oh, I saw a bit of a squirt there.
Yeah, it came out this hole.
Ooh.
It wasn't the melon.
The fuck was that?
It was the bands.
It looks like a pineapple.
All that tension gone.
Oh no. Well, for it to have slipped, that means it must have deformed in enough.
Just easier.
Just fucking go in.
At this point, we decided the bands weren't working as we were thinking they're going to, so we're going to throw it instead, and hopefully that would make it explode.
Oh, this is hot. Holy shit, that's hot. You won't get all of them off.
No? Yeah, we're good. You don't like,
Send it.
you don't like the knobby bit?
I do like the knob bits. Oh,
Smell.
ooh, good quality.
It's like dripping.
Oh, Jesus, fucking.
Oh, that was so...
Yeah,
so...
Yay! With the melon! Stop fucking it.
Oh!
Yay!
I don't think that, yeah, I don't think that would have popped. That would have taken ages.
That would have taken
Because we were cracked.
Oh, yeah.
Look at it.
Hey, we got there in the end. Slope it up, put a straw in there.